Overslept, like massively. I woke up like 5 seconds ago. Oh, great. It's doing this thing. So I gotta do this. Alright. So I'm tired. The last time I traded like this, I made big mistakes. So I need to watch out for that. Yeah. Today already feels like it's gonna be a little bit of a long day. So Amazon, I think, is still gonna go down for today. I got some things I want to say about some of that. I'll do that here in a second. I'm about to pop off for a second. Sorry. I know I just got here. Alright, I'm back. Today, I don't know. I'm waking my ass up slowly here. But yesterday, as you guys knew, in part one stream, I was very red. Very, very red. In the part two stream, where I decided to go streaming again, I got halfway out of it. So I got almost back to being green. Then, after that stream ended, I traded until like the last 30 minutes of the day. And in that last, coming up to the last part, I had went long on here. And it made me go green for the day. So yesterday, I actually was, well, technically green, but I only was up $49. So that's below the $50, the plus minus 50. So it was actually put down as a black day. But I got all the way back up. I'm quite happy with that. Very happy with that. So yesterday was a lot of work, but I went green. So I'm getting my tablet up right now. I haven't charged my mouse in a while. Oh, it's 100% still. I don't know how, but okay. I know this mouse does hold a charge for forever, but having it go out on you mid trade day is not fun. And I know if it needed to be charged, if I start charging it now, I can put it on the charger, and it would charge up pretty well for the rest of today by market open. All right. All right. So yeah, Amazon, I'm expecting it to go lower. It may not, but they still have that lawsuit thing going on. So the fatal trial for Tesla's going through. Okay. So that's Tesla, Amazon. But Alright, so that doesn't seem like a bullish statement here. Some of these here are just kind of Tesla's absolutely massive. I'm not gonna keep looking through all this, but sometimes this is just kind of fun to kind of see. Good morning, Jeff. I overslept. I don't feel tired, but generally when I oversleep and I feel tired, I'm not gonna trade that day because I'm probably gonna make mistakes. But I'm gonna be cautious, knowing that I didn't wake up like I normally would. I woke up kind of late, so I'm not on my usual morning pattern. It's a little rushed. Um, didn't have my chill time, me time. That was well, rushed, or actually non-existent. So gonna have to do a little bit of that while I'm sitting here. So, this morning it's just gonna be a little bit laid back. Um, oh, I don't know. Did I tell you? So yesterday I went green. So, uh, I just looked. So the last message I sent you was telling you that I got all the way back to 240, 240 something. So, right, I traded all freaking day. I took trades on Amazon on the way back up. So I shorted them here, went long over here, and made a small short right here on well, I went long a little bit right here, but I got out too soon. Then over here I took a small short right here and I went green. So yesterday I went freaking green. Now I went green $49. So for my spreadsheet and everything else, that's a black day. It's plus or minus 50. It's not really green, but I'm really proud of that $49. Very, very proud of that $49. Now I did have to fight for it all day, but you had a good short on Oracle. Nice. Yeah, when you had told me about it, it was like right in here, and then of course it reverses. I didn't take a trade on it. I wanted to keep with the. I didn't want to add and be bouncing around to a gazillion stocks. But yeah, Oracle was a really good short throughout the whole first half of the day. Um, it was good. So, um, I haven't taken that many trades on Oracle since I, so to speak, found it a couple days ago. Um, I put on my watch sheet some time ago. I say a couple days ago. It was like I think I've had it there for a week or two, maybe a little bit longer than that. Um, let's jump over here, get my face on the other one. That's done. Let's take a look at the maps for today. Give me the refresh button. I want to make sure. I always like to make sure I got a good refresh on it. You shorted at 104.4 and then out at 103.5. Nice. Very nice. So pretty close to the bottom. Pretty close to the bottom. Good deal, dude. Good job. Um, yeah, don't see. That's really rad. ACN. It's in the information technology sector. So normally, like that big of a red, would have thought would have seen it like in healthcare therapeutic stuff. ACN. Let's go take a look at it. Yeah, it's down a lot. It's in the same price range as Microsoft. Ah, shoot. I'll be right back. Again. Wrong one. Just watch that. I'll be back. Hopefully, this will be the last time I pop off for a second. Okay, I'm back. You know, the one thing I will say, Jeff, I really kind of like what we're fostering here on this channel. Um, we're quite open. Well, you guys see everything I do, but when with like your trade on that you did on Oracle the other day, you know, you're very open with the pricing. Same thing with Obsidian. I always said Odison before, but it's actually I looked at the name again. It's actually Obsidian. Um, so I don't know. I like the community that we're building. I think it's pretty cool. Um, I'm just gonna leave that the way that is for right now. I don't need to add to it. Okay. My stomach today. Not happy with me. Yeah, I like that too. I like it when we have open conversations. Some days it's about stock market, and some days it's not. Some days it's just some random topic. And I like that because you know what? Trading stocks, a lot of the time, you're just kind of waiting around. Unless you're like me and you're screwing up and you're taking way too many trades and you're going negative. Then there's not that much waiting around. You're just you're giving your money away to somebody. But yeah, I love the open conversations, the um I find that actually quite fun. The open dialogues, not just on what I'm trading, but what other people are doing. Mainly, you know, you and Obsidian, because we don't have that many other people who pop in here. Not yet, anyways, and I'm fine with that. I'm actually totally okay with that. So that was actually a really big pop on Queen yesterday. We might actually be getting kind of close to the bottom. Starting to kind of like level out. You know, you got this here, but it recovered very steeply. Same thing with Spy. Very, very interesting. So, but yeah, I love the open conversation. We're very free with the information here. Um, I like that. All right, glasses are cleaned. For me, cleaning my glasses every day, I don't want to say it's a meditation thing, but it just feels really nice to have a very fresh, clean pair of glasses that are ready for today's work. The other thing, uh, I'm working on, I need to get back to working on it. I stopped working on it, but I would like to have it set up to where, audio wise, you can join the live stream and actually talk instead of just having to, text type. So, I could invite you or Odison, Obsidian, as a guest, um, and, bring more of a conversation instead of, uh, text, printed text and, me, being the only speaker. I think it'd be pretty cool to, I don't want to say have a talk show, but definitely have, open dialogues, either it be on the stock market or, I don't know, about the weather or food or life in general. Life comes at us fast. And I just think it'd be kind of cool, uh that I don't know. I don't know exactly where this is all gonna go yet. So Amazon, I'm not sure what I'm looking for yet with Amazon, because it did come all the way back up and go green on the day, ended green on the day, as you can see here. But I think that could be very well short lived. So I might be interested in a move going down through the 224. You can kind of see it found a little bit of support right where it kind of closed right there. So, it caught a few different points. So the 226 is definitely an area that it wants to kind of fight over. Yeah, no, that was a little high, but plus or minus, so many pennies on this stock doesn't really matter all that much. So, say plus or minus, 30, 40 cents or whatever. It's not too far off from here. If it breaks down through here, there's a little bit less holding it. A move down through 120 could be possible. It's not going to come down this low. That's not going to happen. I think if it goes through the 124, you could see the 122. It might gain a little bit of strength right around here. But if it does push through that, you might see it come rest around 120. Maybe 121, because that's kind of getting to the very tip. Just the tip. That's what she said. So, I mean, 121, I think is going to be a hard area. Because you can kind of see the tail here. You know, it's not like a tail over here. When it kind of got up above that, it really wanted to stay above. And that tail was short. So the way that this one should probably be played ideally is maybe small share sizing, smaller, and then adding through as it lowers, which is what I was doing yesterday on the upswing. I was playing in this chop over here, but when it was dropping down, I was buying a little bit because I saw the direction was pretty consistent. So what I was doing was, you know, whenever it dropped, let's say like right here, I'd buy a little bit right here, and then if it broke back through, I just went back out of it. I waited. When it came back up again, I put a little bit in. It started to go up. I added, and then I started moving my stop loss up. Got sold out. And I don't know if that's actually one of the areas that did it, but that's what I was kind of doing. So, you know, yeah, sometimes you might give back quite a bit, but if you know like the direction you're looking for, that's kind of what I was doing. That was, I guess, known as a oh hey, welcome back, A-Car. Sorry I didn't see you right away. I'm still trying to put my plan together for today, but welcome back. Didn't see you in here yesterday. But I'm thinking today might be kind of choppy. So I might want to play with a little bit of a smaller share size with the idea that I might be holding in a little bit longer. And I'll be looking for the push down through. I'll say 122 would be a zone that would be pretty firm. A pretty solid $2 from there to there. But I think it could go all the way down to 120, but you might get a little bit of a bump near the 122 as it starts to kind of get down through a little bit of this curve here. Dude, I overslept today. You're over on Twitch, so you don't see the my title on my video for my live on YouTube, but it simply says overslept. I slept good though. I mean, I woke up a few times, but man, I had some nice sleep. But yeah, I think that's going to be the idea there. Now, Tesla, on the other hand, Tesla. I think I might actually just wait because Tesla has been a little bit of a bitch recently. I woke up at 7:30. Normally, I wake up at like 5:50 to 6 o'clock. Sometimes a little bit earlier than that. There was one day this week where I woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Now that was not supposed to happen, but I went to bed a little early, and I felt good that day. But no, I woke up today at 7:30. You woke up around 3 p.m. Oh, so you woke up right at the end of the market. Well, you were also up all last that the night before, so um so yeah, I think Tesla. Good morning, Odison. So I think with Tesla, I might be waiting a little bit into the day before I make a decision. In all honesty, I think Tesla might start working its way back up. You know, we got bottoming tails that are kind of steep. Um, I mean, we don't have any really bottoming tails over here that shows the reversal. And the same thing right here. I mean, it was straight down and then straight up the following day. Or that's a gaps. But I don't know. To me, I think this is starting to gain a little bit of strength. And I want to be careful with that. And Acar, I don't know how old you are, but God, if I try to stay up all freaking night, I think I would sleep until the following night. Well, hopefully, Acar, they allow you to do that. Um, Hope your wrist gets better. Yeah, Tesla. I think this morning, in all honesty, I'm going to be sitting back a bit here and just allowing things to kind of happen. This one looked like it could have been a pretty good day the other day, but it died. I'm not going to trade that. Piton. I haven't seen that one. Oh, what the hell? That one is crazy. Okay, so I see this one is on the scanner sheet. You senior citizen at 26. Boy, you ain't no senior citizen. I think I'm gonna let this one go. But that one looks really good. You know, I might jump into it later. I don't know. I don't know. Lulu collaboration. Oh, so it's that's a news pop. If you're an old and at 26, dude, then I'm a freaking grandpa at 33. You're 34. How old am I? I don't fucking know anymore. I was born in 89. I think that makes me 33. You're 34. I don't know. The older you get, the less you know about your age. The less it really kind of matters. The less you kind of want to know. It could cause obsidian. It could cause a reversal temporarily, but it could also cause it to end up going right back down because a lot of the people that were still holding it could end up selling to cover while it's up. So it could end up gaining a lot of steam, but I don't know. The market cap on that one is 1.7 bill. So I mean, it's not a small cap, but uh I don't know. I do like the fact that it is a larger cap. Oh wow, we got 4 people watching us today. Well, good morning. Overslept a little bit. Already kind of went through all my pre morning talks and what I'm looking at, what I'm thinking of doing. This morning I'm going to be a little bit more of a laid back kind of watching. I did go green yesterday. It just took me all freaking day. Yeah, a lot of grinding. A lot of grinding. I did go green. So now I'm just kind of gonna see what this does. I think I'm actually gonna watch Amazon at open. It's sitting right here near the 124. And that's right where I was saying I'd be pretty interested in it. So it's come down. It might pop up. I'll take a look at Oracle. I think you would want to see the push down through further. But I think Oracle, I think you are right. Oracle at some point is going to start to climb back up. It is down a decent amount. All right, take it easy, Akar. Have a good one. So we're going in with a much smaller sizing. And then we may add into it.
BXRX.
Oh, that's too loud. I don't like that screaming at me the entire morning. So we'll put that there. We'll add in a little bit more. And there we go. Or not. Yeah, see, Tesla is going in a range. So, you know, I'm green. Not really. I'm just going to put it really, really dark. Because, you know, I'm not really gray anymore. I took a trade. Ah, shoot. I gotta pop off again. Give me a second. Damn it. This morning is a long freaking morning. My stomach is just not happy with me, not for 1 second. Ay, 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 ay. Where am I? Alright, I'm on Amazon. Tesla. Going up. Glad I did not do a trade on that. Okay, go back to Amazon. You know, even though I was gone for a little while, I didn't miss anything. Cool. That's always cool. Alright. I would be interested if Amazon pushes back down through. It's near the 124 again. I already kind of knew that would be an area that it would want to fight over. Right here, actually, probably would have been a good short. You could have done that and then, said covered if it went up just a little bit higher, kind of thing. Small share sizing. That's kind of what I was doing yesterday. I was playing like some of these upper swings and either going short or long. So either on the upside I was short, on the downside I would go long. But we're still going to go with the smooth is slow, slow is smooth kind of thing. We're not in any super big rush right now. We'll do a little bit of a punch right here. I might try to flatten this. I think it might be trying to gain a little bit of strength here. Alright, it's pushed me red. And you see, with me having a smaller share sizing, it really allowed me to kind of just sit that out. I still thought it was going to go down. But I'm going to try to get a free trade put in here or just flatten. I would prefer the free trade deal. There we go. We got the free trade in. Now we could just see if this is going to continue. It looks like it will. I'm not working on trying to hit high targets right this second. I'm just trying to work on, I guess playing in the chop. There was a good chance that I could have gone red there. I could have, I guess, bought back in over here or shorted it again. I didn't want to do that though. I could have. Not exactly upset that I didn't. Okay. So that somehow is getting wet and I don't want wet stuff sitting on my wood desk. So I'll put this on my printer. Amazon. Now I would like to just kind of put this in a little bit and just kind of allow this to run all on its own. I'll follow it a little bit, but I think this is going to start moving down. You're green on Piton. Awesome deal, dude. Awesome deal. I'm just gonna slowly kind of grind it out right here on Amazon because I think Amazon is gonna have a fairly decent down move early on. I'm not gonna go ahead and double it. I was thinking about it. Oh, I'm out. Well, I am having a green day right now. So I am now officially having a green day. I'm above the $50. I'm at 73. Whoop whoop. Big money. Watch out. Big money coming through. And that's not exactly what we're working on for today, but if we can keep these consistent wins, this is how I got out of that huge deficit that I had yesterday. And so I'm kind of changing trade pattern a little bit, which is never smart. You shouldn't change anything, especially midday. But I am. And I still have to make one more dollar so I can match Obsidian over here. But nothing is really kind of. I mean, Tesla is in a range. I'm not really interested in it. Amazon, I really think is going to be going down, but I got sold out of it a few times now. Microsoft, I think, will go down, but it's not looking very strong right this second. But it's near like a double bottom, right here. It did break the double bottom right there. Right here is a double bottom, but it got sucked right back up in there. So, I don't know if I want to do that again. Probably go in with small share sizing because it is moving kind of drastically. I do kind of like what this is doing, but it's kind of, I don't know, trading up and down a lot. I want it to pick just one general direction so that I can trade that. And it doesn't seem that it wants to. We're just gonna wait. I'm slightly green. Everything is just kind of looking finicky. Okay. Well, that put me basically kind of back to where I was. I'm still up. Still green. But I'm now a lower green. Yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna keep trying to chase it with Tesla. Tesla's been kind of hard to pick recently. So I'm $20 up. I mean, that's not great, but $20 is $20. I did that in not very much time. No, that's going to be a no. So might be looking at a short position coming up here. All right, I'm trying to chase it now. Okay, I'm slightly red now. Barely. It's the whole reason why I'm doing what I'm doing. The way I'm doing it. I was trying to get into the chop here to try to get it in the right spot, but kind of did it at the wrong times. It seems like it's just in an area that it wants to fight over. So what are you looking at there, Jeff? Are you looking at anything particular? Nice. Yeah, I haven't looked at that stock again since Odin mentioned it. Now this is a direction that disappeared. I now I'm just chipping away, which it's not ideal. Um, I'll wait for a second on that one. I think Tesla's gonna have a pop here. Yeah, I'm just kind of looking at that. They actually look somewhat good for right the second. Kind of went with a bigger sizing here, just because I think we might get some room on it. Not what I wanted, but okay, whatever. see, so I did a little bit of pop buy. So now I'm hoping it starts to push down through again. That would be my stop. I'm kind of leveraging my profit on this stock on this trade. But I think it will break below that. Bam. Ouch. Now I'm definitely red. AMD, I wasn't looking at it. AMD definitely is going up. I wasn't looking at AMD. Just did. Where do you think it will go? Oh, that was bad timing. I'm being a little guarding there. Yeah. You think it's going to go up to the 103? Okay. If it makes it all the way down to here, could be shortable. And short this. I didn't realize that this was shortable. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. A small shot. So this is gonna be like a stop and go only. I think it starts to get closer to a new low. It will start to gain a little bit of steam. Okay, we're in profit. Alright, so we're making a little bit right here. It's a small, but we'll probably add on a little bit. Another grab. So we're definitely going to be a little aggressive right there. Now that we're at 1,000 share position sizing, we're definitely going to be in the profit. And it took us out. Yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and get out of that. Too grinding. I kind of want to try to get a safer lock in, but it kept on just wanting to fight it, so I'm not gonna keep up with that. Not for right now. It would have been a much nicer short earlier. I didn't realize I could short it. Should have looked at it better. Yeah, I saw the drop on Tesla. I did see that. Um, that's part of the reason why I also got out of that one, but I saw this little pop up, so I thought I'd wait. Amazon is also having a little bit of a drop here. Amazon's going back up though. Yeah, that's stale. Kind of went stale on me. Bummer. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. Please don't bite me. You're biting me. Protection. Who doesn't like protection? And that's why I was happy I had some protection. I didn't make crap on it. But that could have gotten a little ugly there. Today might just be a small red day. I might be able to trade it out and go green on it in the long run. But I think I might start slowing down. No, I mean, no. Let's just sit back and wait. Oh, too high. And that actually worked out in my favor. I think it might try to push down here. I'm not sure what Amazon's trying to do. Doesn't make much sense. So I think Amazon might climb up a little bit, but then might be looking at a drop later. Either today or tomorrow. Ford is below where I sold, so I'm going to kind of keep an eye on that. Because I think I do want to jump back in on Ford. I was a little early on my part, but I went in with a small share size. So I have a little bit of staying power. Or not. Damn it. Alright, guys. Um, today's, of course, there it goes. Being a little aggressive with the stop loss. Because I know that's not going to last. Alright, we got a free trade in. Oh, bum. Took me out too soon. See, I got too early. Too early. All right. I'm not interested in that stock. Not that one or that one. So I'm 170. No. Where am I? I'm 263 down from the beginning of the day, 335 from my high of day. So that's that might be it for today. I don't know if I'm gonna keep trying to chase that. Or I might do small trades like I did yesterday. Um, but I think the bulk of my trades are gonna be done for today. I'm not gonna keep digging a hole that's worse and worse. So, I'm gonna just keep my nose in my phone for a while. If I see something kind of going on the market, I might jump on it. But um just kind of sitting back. What I might do is just do this and just sit back like this for a little bit, see what pops up. Yeah, nothing's really working today. Not the way we would need it to or would want it to. So, Just sitting back. Doing some stuff on my phone right this second. I'm not even really watching the screen. I mean, this is kind of cool. Amazon's kind of doing the same thing. Just gonna kind of wait, see what happens here. Yeah, I'm negative Amazon right now. Kind of far away from a new low, especially right now. But I think that would be kind of interesting if it makes another low for today. That might be what I'm looking for. Yeah, see that's fighting quite a bit. Did not know how far that would continue, so just took a quick grab at that. That turned out to be okay. Slowly kind of get me back to where I need to be. It looks like it's starting to get weak though. Starting to. And got in too early. Ouch. Tesla is just been kind of like an ugly beast recently. Not any real good like pops or confirmed directions. It's been finicky. Amazon is popping back up. So this probably will do the same. Yeah, I don't feel like trying to keep chasing that. Leveraged a little bit more than I would wanted in the first grab. All right. Now that this is starting to get down into an area that'll be both of these actually. I think we're getting close here on Tesla. I think it just needs a push. Shoot, I did not want to flatten like that. So I accidentally went green, or went long on that. I didn't want to go long. But guys, I think I'm gonna call it right there. I'm slipping, and before it gets bad, I'm just gonna go ahead and walk away. So today is going to be a red day, not a terrible one. One that's repairable. I might be able to find the right trade in it later. But I'm going to go ahead and end the stream here. So see you guys tomorrow. I'll let you guys know how it goes.